Time now for a check of your North Central Washington weather forecast. Hope you had a fantastic Friday, and what a weather day it was today with sunny skies out there. Beautiful shot looking at the Wenatchee Valley from our NCWLIFE tower camera, and that's up on Wenatchee Heights. Boy, it was hard to find a cloud out there today. Very light wind too, and temperatures well above where we should see them for this time of year, but that's all going to come to a halt as we get into the upcoming weekend. As we get you into Saturday, our high temperature only at about 66 degrees, maybe a little bit warmer on Sunday at 67, and then by Monday and throughout the week, look at that, almost 80 on Tuesday and 82 for the high temperature by next Wednesday. So a bit of a roller coaster ride until we get into that warm weather again next week. Today's high temperature, just beautiful, unofficially at 81 degrees, 68 is where we should be for this time of year. We were just 4 degrees shy of a record high temperature. That was 85 set back in 2014. Our low this morning, 48, a few degrees above where we should be at 45 for this time of year. And our record cold, 35, and that was set in 1997. Sunrise this morning, 5:42, and it sets tonight at 8:14. All right, taking a look at Saturday's weather. Of course, the Stamilt Grand Parade, and we're going to see a big cool down. 68 for Moses Lake and Ephrata, 67 degrees in Quincy, and then 65s from Ellensburg into Wenatchee. A little bit warmer then as we move north, Eniat and into Chelan, mid to upper 60s, almost 70 for Omak. That's the warm spot tomorrow. 65, the high temperature tomorrow in Kashmir. Tonight we do expect increasing clouds to move in. That'll happen about sunset or so, and we'll see some breezy conditions, about a 30% chance of rain showers, and there is that tiny little chance of rain tonight. Low temperatures in the mid-50s. And then for the Stamilt Grand Parade tomorrow, this is our 11 o'clock weather. So we will see just a slight breeze in the morning. Plenty of clouds at 11 o'clock, and we will see cooler temperatures. We're going to see highs in the mid-60s, so probably 55 to 60 for parade time on Saturday. By Sunday, sunny, still a little bit breezy, though, in central Washington, but more seasonal temperatures for Sunday with highs in the upper 60s. And then for next week, we talked about it earlier, we're in for another warm-up. Monday begins that with sunshine all over Washington State on Monday and warmer. High temperatures in the mid-70s for Monday afternoon. By the time we get into Tuesday, we're going to warm up even a little bit more with more sunshine all up and down the west coast of the United States. We'll see high temperatures into those low 80s for Tuesday. It is going to be beautiful into next week. By Wednesday, we will also see lots of sunshine, mostly sunny skies, maybe some breezy conditions in the afternoon on Wednesday, but still going to be warm out there with highs in the low 80s. And then by the end of our forecast on Thursday, mostly sunny skies, high pressure still dominating our weather. Will be a little bit cooler, but still awfully nice with high temperatures Thursday in the low 70s. Here's your 7-day forecast now. Classy Chassis Parade, it should be fantastic tonight. High temperature, we talked about at 81, so we're still going to be mid-70s for the parade tonight. 66 for the Stamilt Grand Parade. That's the high temperature in the afternoon. Remember that. So it's going to be a little bit cooler for parade time. And then lots of sun Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, and a slow warm-up. 68 Sunday, 76 Monday, 81 on Tuesday. We'll stay warm on Wednesday with mostly sunny skies and 82, and then sunshine for Thursday as our temperatures get back to normal with a high temperature of 72 degrees. And that's a look at your North Central Washington weather forecast. Coming up next, tonight's sports report with Eric Granstrom and more as the NCWLIFE Evening News continues right after this.